In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create the snow effect in After Effects. Create a solid layer. Change the solid blending mode to Add. Apply the CC Practical World effect on the solid layer. The birth rate variable is for changing the amount of particle production. The longevity variable is for changing the particle life. In the producer section, you can change the position and radius of the snow production in 3 dimensions. In the physics section, you can adjust the type of particle motion, velocity, and gravity. In the animation, in my opinion, twirly is more like moving a snow. You can also use other animations. In the direction axis section, you can specify the motion of the particles around which axis. In the particle section, you can specify the shape of the particles, opacity, color, and their size. In the camera effect section, you can change the distance between the snow production position and the snow angle. Finally, you can make the snow moving natural by activating the motion blur. Thanks for watching.